Good morning. It is 6 a.m. I want to start off with my first quote. The first one is, mindfulness means being awake. It means knowing what you are doing. And right now, brushing my teeth, I am certainly mindful of my action. Mindful eating means simply eating or drinking while being aware of each bite or sip. Once I have my water, I head to the living room in my little nook, little garden space. Here comes Opie. She loves drinking my water, even though she has her own. Here is where I do some journaling, some reading, and most importantly, some meditating. Before I start meditating, I like to think about this quote. To the mind that is still, the whole universe surrenders. I think this is my favorite part of the morning. Sitting down, relaxing, doing some journaling, getting everything that's on my mind onto the paper. It looks like the sun just came out. This is usually the time I go out for a walk or a run. Thank you so much for watching my mindful morning routine.